babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hey there, my name is Jenny, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag and also Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of January. I have everything right here, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's get this video started. I know that I am a little bit late. I actually got this package a few days ago, but I just got the chance to sit down and unbox it for you guys. And also, in case this is your first time watching me, I actually get the influencer bag, so I do not get to make any selections on what I receive. I just wanted to mention that so that you know. So for January, the theme is Dream It. It says new month, new year, and the sky's the limit. When you start small, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. I absolutely love that, being a brand new year and a new month, that we hope that this year is better than the last one. Alright, so first off, I want to show you these two items that I know they only send them on the influencer boxes, and I always think that this is so thoughtful and really nice from Ipsy. The first one is this ceramic water bottle that is super cute. If you can see, it has this like blue details and it actually feels really nice. I wish this was available for purchase, but I'm not 100% if you can actually order these items, but this is really nice. They also sent this notebook. It just says Dream It, and they added a pen, and this is actually perfect because I have been meaning to start journaling, and this is definitely gonna be nice. And I just love that it says Dream It, because I know I can probably use this to also write some new ideas for this year and things that I want to accomplish. But let's go ahead and start with the Ipsy Glam Bag. And for January, this is what the little pouch looks like. You can totally see that it's a little bit see-through, but I do love that it says Dream It all over, and the baby blue color is super cute if you ask me. And you open it like that, and I only see 4 samples in here, and I know that they normally send 5. So let me go ahead and show you this ones. Okay, so the first one is, this is by the brand, I believe it's Byroe, New York, and this is actually a salmon cream. That sounds pretty interesting. Let's see what it says. This is a luxurious rich cream that combines peptides and salmon caviar to effectively smooth, firm, and plump the skin. I don't know, this is interesting, but anything that says smoothing and plump the skin, I'm all for it. I will definitely have to give this a try. And it's also a pretty large sample size so that you can actually see. So that was the first item. The next item that I received is by Stila, and this is a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I actually really love a Stila product, and it's been a while since I haven't tried any other lipsticks. This is in the shade Patina, and this is what it looks like up close. It's a pretty color and also a pretty good size. The next item that I got, it's by the brand Youth to the People. Oh, I'm actually really excited about this. This is what it looks like. I've seen this brand on Sephora before, and I know I have been wanting to try it, but I just haven't bought anything from them before. So this is their Kombucha plus 11% AHA Exfoliation Power Toner. That is pretty cool, you guys, especially because I have been wanting to try this brand before, and this is what the toner looks like. You guys know that I love products that have a chase. Alright, so the next product that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag, it's by Cover FX. This is their Shimmer Veil, and it looks like this is a liquid eyeshadow. And this actually seems to be a full-size product. I will have to double check on that, but this is really cool. I actually love liquid eyeshadows because they are just so easy to apply on the eyelids and you're ready to go. So I'm excited about using this. I do want to mention that I'm not 100% sure that this actually comes in the Ipsy Glam bag, so I'll have to double check on that. Either way, always check my description box down below, and I'm gonna include what items come in the Ipsy Glam bag and what items come in the Ipsy Glam bag plus, just so that you can double check. And so those are the 4 products that actually came inside of my Ipsy Glam bag. I do see that I have this little sample, which I'm assuming it's the 5th product to the Ipsy Glam bag, and this is by the brand Kinship. This is their Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser. This is what it looks like. Oh, it's like a little squeezy tube. There you have it. And I actually really like it when skincare products have papaya on them, because papaya is amazing to just remove dead cells on the skin. So I'm really happy about this product. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I just have to say, I am really digging this little bag. It also says Dream all over, but I just really love the baby blue color. And just as a reminder, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, that's retail for $25, and they usually give you 5 full-size products. So let's go ahead with what I got. Okay, so the first product is this one by Purlisse. This is their Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. It says that this one hydrates and balances, prevents fine lines, and also preps your skin for makeup. It is mostly recommended for oily combination to normal skin type. So that is literally what my skin type is at the moment. So I'm really happy about that. Let me just go ahead and open the package so that I can show you what it looks like. Oh, now that I see it, I believe we got a mini sample of the eye cream in this line. I want to say it was on the December Ipsy Glam bag, so I'm really happy that now I have a full-size face moisturizer. And you guys know that I love skincare products, so anything that is gonna hydrate my skin, I'm all for it. So I would definitely be giving this a try. Okay, so the next product that I got on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is by the brand IGK. This is their Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, and I'm actually really happy that we got this. I do love their dry shampoos. They're very expensive, but they are really good, you guys. So I'm happy to try out a new product. I just don't know if this will work well with my hair. Let's see the claims. It does say that it has coconut oil, and this is a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. It says if you have dry, coarse, and frizzy hair and you want smooth, soft, and hydrated hair, you can apply this to damp or dry hair and let it air dry or even blow out. So I definitely want to give this a try, especially if it's gonna smooth down and hydrate my hair. I just got my highlights redone, and every time I use bleach, obviously it leaves my hair a little bit damaged. So I'm happy to give this a try. So next up, I got a product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara, and I'm actually really happy. I don't think I have tried mascaras from Anastasia before. I do love their eyeshadows. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Ooh, this packaging is pretty. Look, it has like an ombre effect with the black and the gold part on the bottom. And volumizing mascaras are definitely my favorite. I always have to check what the one looks like, and this is, okay, you guys might think that I'm exaggerating, but this is actually my favorite type of lash one, just because they really give you all the volume. And I don't want to say this, but it looks pretty similar to which one is the other one that I have? It's by Benefit. Better Than Sex mascara. No, it's actually by Too Faced. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's one of my favorite mascaras, and this one looks pretty similar. So I definitely want to see if it works the same way, because if it does, that's gonna be pretty cool. Okay, so the next product is from the brand Florence by Mills, and I know I'm gonna say this again, but I actually wanted to try this brand before, so I'm really happy that I got it. You see, this is the reason why I love Ipsy, because I just get to try out new products every month, and it's also very affordable. So this is their Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask, and it is on the scent Lavender. Let me show you what the packaging looks like. There you have it. It looks pretty promising, and I always have to check. Ooh, I always have to check the texture. I'm not gonna tilt it because I've made that mistake before, but you can kind of see the texture of the face mask. It looks pretty glowy. I'm definitely gonna be trying this out tonight. Oops, I already got some of the product outside of the packaging, but anything that it's a glowing mask, I'm all for it. And this is a peel off mask, and I actually do want to read a little bit of the claims. So it says that this is a iridescent purple peel off mask to help reset your skin after a tiring week. It also has purifying charcoal that helps draw out dirt and oil, while the witch hazel and lavender oil keep your skin cute and happy. So definitely very promising. I will have to definitely try it out, but I'm excited every time I get to try out new skincare products. And that brings us to the last item that I got on my Ipsy Glam Bag. This is a makeup brush from the brand Laruce, and it is their Kabuki Lr 222 brush. Ooh, it actually feels super soft, and judging from the shape of it, I want to say that this is for like spot concealer, maybe to apply concealer under the eyes. It does feel super soft, and the wand looks actually really good quality. Let me show you the brush up close. I think we did get some other brushes in the November Ipsy Glam Bag. I can't recall, but I really like them. And yeah, this is a pretty cool brush. So that is everything that I got on my January Ipsy Glam Bag, and also on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And again, I'm so sorry if I uploaded this video a little bit too late. I promise I will try to upload it earlier for next month. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.